Hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today we are talking about Samsung One UI 8 Beta with Android 16 that is officially out for Galaxy S25 series. Let's explore what's new and how it can enhance your Galaxy experience. So Samsung has rolled out the One UI 8 Beta for Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra users in the US, UK, Germany and South Korea. If you are in one of these regions and own an eligible device, here is how you can enroll. Open the Samsung Members app, look for the One UI 8 Beta program banner at the top. Tap it, agree to the terms and enroll your device. Then go to Settings, click on Software Update, then click upon Download and install to get the beta. Moving ahead, let's talk about what's new and cool in One UI 8. The first up is Enhanced Weather app. The weather widget now shows more translucent visuals and realistic backgrounds, offering more immersive experience. In quick settings, there is a new quick share toggle for fast file sharing, and the Edge panel's AI select is now instant. So no more waiting, and it is now much faster for generative edits. Another small but important update is that now you can choose between opening quick controls or switching cameras while swiping up or down while using the camera app. The Samsung Internet browser now has a customizable bottom toolbar. You can now press and hold to drag your favorite actions like summarize or translate right where you want them. A big and super usable change is in the clock app, that is the alarm groups. Now you can create alarm groups for your work, for say week work, and add a widget to toggle the whole group on and off from the home screen. The Reminder app now offers category organization at the top and provides suggestions based on your inputs. Plus, now you can create all the reminders directly into the Calendars app. You can just drag and drop the events to reschedule them easily. Isn't it great? Samsung users have also got improved multitasking. That is, in split screen mode, the Windows app may adjust more flexibly and easily to enhance and improve flexibility capability. Next, the Secure folder has now got much more options to hide apps and offer better privacy. With the new One UI 8, you can create new challenges in Samsung Health. For say, get there first to compete with your friends' fitness goals. There are tons of new advanced routines in modes and routines like the cold weather alert and morning briefing. Bluetooth and DeX enhancements are the another things that you need to look out in this smartphone, as it offers you better support wearing with hearing aids and controlling mouse actions using the keyboard. Plus, DeX now supports WQHD resolutions and display rotations up to 270 degrees. Last but not least, with the help of OraCast broadcast support, you can broadcast audio from one device to multiple devices using a QR code, ideal for sharing music or announcements. As this is the first beta version, some bugs are expected. For say, the battery may drain faster and not all the Android 16 features are available. For say, the material-free expressive design is currently available. However, the overall performance is smooth with responsive animations and transitions. What do you think? Which feature is you are most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If this video has helped you out in any way, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.